The rectangle command has been used to create the outline of our AutoCAD title block. Now, keeping the title block layer as the current layer, which is here on our layers pull down there, title block needs to be the current layer. We're going to utilize the offset command now to offset our rectangle. Now, a rectangle is basically what they call a polyline in AutoCAD. When you use the rectangle command, it creates a rectangular polyline with 4 sides. You can offset polylines in AutoCAD very, very easily, and it will offset the whole rectangle. So we go to the Home tab, into the Modify panel, and we use this command here, Offset. We click on Offset and come into the drawing area. Now, what we need to do is right-click and go to the Layer setting on the shortcut menu, and we make sure that the Layer option is set to Source, i.e. it remains on the same layer when we offset an object. We're going to right-click again and go to Erase and make sure that the source object is not erased after offsetting. So we use the No option. So what we've said there is we're going to retain the original layer and not erase the original object. Now, the offset distance we're going to type in first is 20 millimeters and press Enter. Then it'll prompt us to select the object to offset. We're going to use the pick box here. Notice the crosshair has converted to a pick box again for select. Highlight the rectangle and left click on it. We then move in the direction we want to offset. So we move the crosshair inside the existing rectangle. And it's a left click. And there's our offset. We're creating our border for our AutoCAD title block. We then press Enter to complete the offset command. So we're back now with our crosshair. Now we need to repeat the offset command once more, but for a different offset distance. So either press the space bar or press the Enter key, and that will actually repeat the offset command for you. All the settings have been remembered. Look at the command line down at the bottom of the screen. The current settings are Erase Source No, Layer equals Source. So those settings have been remembered. So all we've got to do is specify the offset distance of 10 in this case. 10 in the box, 10 millimeters, press Enter, and it's exactly the same process. Use the pick box, select though the new rectangle that you just created, left click on it, move again inside for the offset direction, and left click again, and then Enter to finish. Now you'll notice that our title block is beginning to look like a picture frame. That's exactly how we want it to look. Our title block is a picture frame. It's a picture frame around a specific view of our design in AutoCAD in the model space. So that's the offset command used as part of the process to create our AutoCAD title block.